Hey there, math explorers! Ever come across weird square roots that doesn't make any sense, like root 2 or root 3, and thought, wait, what's that? Surds. Surds are numbers that can be simplified into exact decimals. This one here, root 4 equals 2, perfectly tidy. But this one, root 2, try as we might, we can't make it a simple number. We call this unsimplified square roots surds. A surd is a rational number. When you measure the diagonal of a square TV screen, you are using root 2. Or if you want to know how much space a hexagon tile will take, there is a root 3 sneaking in. These rules are like shortcuts. It helps you handle and simplify surds quickly. Multiplying surds, for example, root 2 times root 3 equals root 6. Easy, right? Dividing surds, root 8 divided by root 2 is root, open bracket, 8 minus, divided by 2 is equals to root 4, which is 2. Simplifying surds, let's take root 50. We can simplify it to root 25 times 2, and then that's 5 root 2. Finding the biggest square factor of 50. Why simplify? It's like making the surds easier to handle. Let's try a couple of worked examples together. Simplify root 2. The largest square factor is 36, so root 72 will be root 36 times 2, and that will be 6 root 2. Multiply root 3 by root 12. That's root 3 times 12, which is 36, root 36, and that is 6. Now it's your turn. Here are 3 quick examples. Pause the video, give it a shot, and then we'll go over the answers together in a moment.